weather service. For the following counties in Maryland, extreme western Allegheny and Garrett, and the following counties in West Virginia, western Grant, western Mineral and western Pendleton, and western Highland, Virginia. Wind advisory remains in effect until 6 a.m. Tuesday. West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include, in Maryland, Garrett and extreme western Allegheny counties. In Virginia, western Highland County. In West Virginia, western Grant, western Mineral and western Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 6 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: expect cold wind chills between 5 to 15 degrees below zero, especially above 2,500 feet. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.